Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. Welcome to today's video. This is on the Lumie Halo. So it's a multifunctional light therapy. So this is for helps with seasonal affective disorder. So winter, when you get the winter blues and you need that light and you want to work with light, it's one of these types of lights which helps. Now, if you do suffer from seasonal affective disorder, or if you do want that sort of light which sort of helps, when you are sort of working and you don't want the sort of winter darkness around you, what the research has shown is that you need at least 10,000 lux lighting, and that's what this one does have. So this is 10,000 lux lighting, and it has that 20 centimeters. So if you're 20 centimeters away, you get half an hour exposure of this. That is, what is recommended to sort of assist with that. If you're sitting further away from that while you're working, as your distance increases, so the longer the period you need with the light. But having 10,000 lux, 20 centimeters, that's what this has, and that's the sort of recommended type of light that the articles written on seasonal affective disorders seem to be suggesting. If I flip this over, so this is on the back of this, it talks about how this sort of helps with the daylight form, that it helps with sort of mood boosting, influencing body chemistry, melatonin, serotonin levels. So it sort of helps with that. This lamp has got an evening mode as well, where you don't want that full glare. So that's got an evening mode. It talks about the sort of backlight as well, that you've either got day or evening mode with regard to that. And you will find with a lot of the seasonal affective disorder lamps, they sort of look like a tablet. It's almost like an iPad in front of you. This is more a sort of a design type of statement to be in your bedroom or wherever you're going to be working at a desk, and you want that kind of light. So let me now just unbox this so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. So quite a large box and quite well packaged with foam. So let me just actually flip this the other way so I can have everything in the base. There we go. So there's the lamp inside. So if I just lift this out, take off those covers. That's what this lamp looks like. There we go. So it's got the plastic cover on, protective cover there. Just flipping on the back. Obviously that's where the power lead goes. So just going to place this down. Just find the power lead for this. Put that just gently back into there. And on the back of this is where we've got all the leads. So there's the charger, which will go in the back, and there are the legs for this lamp, and here we go, and here's the instructions and the user guide. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just take a second while we set it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like set up. So I've now assembled this. There were the two legs which I showed before. They literally just slide on and they're magnetic, and then you just plug the charger cable into there. So it's as easy as that, setting it up. I'm now going to turn it around and you can sort of see what this is. So that's the sort of side profile. You've seen the back. Now I'm going to turn it around, turn it on, and then you can see what you think of the product. So here we've got it front profile. So when you're sitting, you're probably going to want it sort of slightly diagonal, so that when you're working on a laptop or something else, that's sort of coming in. It's almost like the sun coming in through the window type of approach. Now it's got sort of three types of lights. One of those is the backlight, so I'll show you that now. It just requires a double tap on the back and then it illuminates like that. Now, some users have said that they found it a bit temperamental because when you read the instructions, it says tap it on the top. And when you do that, nothing happens. And it is actually on the back and you have to get a certain rhythm and get it in the right place. And it will then switch off. So just go back a few inches on the back of it and give it a tap in that kind of rhythm. And sometimes it'll work. And sometimes you'll have to find the right bit. So it may require a couple of taps. So a number of users of this light have said that they find that issue a bit temperamental. But that is just sort of a bit of a background lighting. If you've got this in your bedroom, you just want to sort of have a bit of light on just late at night, then at least you have that option. Now, the main use of this product is obviously the bright light. So brace yourselves as I turn this on. So because it is bright. That is the 10,000 lux at 20 centimeters. The actual instructions for this recommend that come with this. And so I've got the instructions right there. So I'm just going to read out the details from there. It says 20 centimeters, 10,000 lux, typical exposure minutes, 30 minutes. So if you're at 30 minutes, you got it 20 centimeters, 10,000 lux. It says if you are 32 centimeters away, you will be getting 5,000 lux. And to kind of get the effect that you need, it's 30 to 60 minutes. And if you are at about 50 centimeters, which is about arm's length, which is what most people will be, that'll be 2,500 lux that you're getting. And they're saying that to get the right amount of effect, you're going to be wanting to sit there for an hour to 2 hours. So if you think about it, you're not going to just be sitting in front of this lamp for an hour, 2 hours. You're going to be doing something. You're going to be reading, or you're going to be on your laptop, and you've kind of got that at arm's length, and that's how you're working. Now, the instructions say there's no harm if you get more exposure. So although this is used for seasonal affective disorder, if you get more light exposure than the 30 minutes, the hour, the 2 hours, it's not going to make a difference. They're saying that there's no harm in using it for longer than suggested. Their starting suggestion is arm's length, 50 centimeters, and start with 30 minutes. Now, what you can see at the top here is the actual logo. What you can do is you just sort of slide this back and you see the logo light goes down, and so does the main light. So, you know, you can just increase the light by just sliding on the top. So it's got a slide dial. The other thing it's got is got another button on the top. If I click on that, that changes it to sort of evening mode. So again, using the slide, I can slide it down. So if you want to use it as a regular lamp at night, you can put the evening mode on by clicking this. So to say this switches between daylight and evening mode, and then you change the intensity by just sliding that, and then the Lumie logo will light up accordingly. You click on the power button, all power's down, and if you want to get rid of this glow, if you manage to find the right bit, then it will switch off with a double tap. So that's the Lumie product. I think it looks quite stylish when it's sort of set up like that, and it looks a lot nicer than the sort of tablet types of units. The actual product, you can buy it from Lumie Direct, or you can get it from other online retailers. The retail price for it is £219. If you actually are diagnosed with seasonal affective disorder, then you can get it without the VAT. So you can click on their website and they will provide it without the VAT. So then it's 180 something if you get it that way. The actual product itself also comes with a 3-year warranty from Lumie. So if you have any issues, then there's that comfort there as well. So overall, nice product, very bright. And that's what you actually do need. If you have got seasonal affective disorder, you do want, you know, that kind of 10,000 lux at, you know, 20 centimeter distance to get the full effect from it. Hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you enjoyed watching this. So please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.